Hi everybody, I am back with biotin. I said that I would do a quick follow-up with you guys, and that's what I'm doing. It has been a month. A month ago I started biotin. That was on July 1st. Today is August 5th, and I know you want to know what those measurements are, so let's get started. Also, if you hold on to the end of the video or after the measurement, I will go over with you the side effects, and there were definitely some side effects to the point where I kind of stopped taking it. But I started back. So let's get started. So the last time I measured, I had on this shirt, and I was at the beginning of the third black line. We were right there, okay? And so let's see where we are now. Here we go. I'm feeling it. Oh, you can't see too much because of the curve, but right there, I know I'm at the beginning of the next black line, guys. So that's awesome. That's telling me that there is some growth. All right, so for those of you who prefer the measuring tape, I am going to use that right now. And eventually I might just do away with this tape because the struggle is real. Let's see how we can do this. I'm going to do a couple of measurements to try to make sure I am as accurate as I can be with this tape measure. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you guys can see where I am with that. Stops right here. Oh. 17 in one line. I'm going to try it again. This time we're going to do it from this side. Putting this right up against the scalp. There we go. Stop right here. Here we go. We are over 17. Okay, so guys, there you go. There is some growth, and I've only been taking it for 1 month. Again, that is the biotin liquid drops. I did purchase this from the Vitamin Shop. That's the actual name of the store, the Vitamin Shop. You can order it on Amazon. You can get it from anywhere else. And I paid, I think it was a little over $10 for this. There is another liquid biotin that's out. I think it's SBG or something like that, and it's around $17. And I didn't want to wait on the order to come in, so I was too anxious, and I went out to the store and purchased it. You can't usually find the other one in the store, but I wanted to give this one a fair review. Okay, so with that being said, you probably can't see it, but it's right here, guys. Okay, I didn't take it every single day. It's 31 days in this past month. I can say I've taken it probably about 22 days out of the month. The very first day that I took the pill, or I'm sorry, the liquid drops, I felt it immediately. You know, you feel it within 30 seconds. I felt something a little strange, but you know, I just rolled with it, kept it going throughout the day. And one of the things I did not do, which is very important, is drink plenty of water. You have to drink water with this thing. And I didn't eat enough food. I don't think I had enough food on my stomach. I was running around, and with that being said, I had the worst headache ever, and my stomach, oh my goodness, the worst stomach pain ever that I've experienced. And because of that, I had that fear of taking it again. I didn't want to take it, But you know what? I promised you guys that I would, and I just wanted to do it. I wanted to have something to come back to you with in a month. I didn't want to come back with bad news saying, you know, without giving a fair review of it. So what I did, I started again, and instead of taking the liquid drops in the morning, I take it at night. I put it next to my bed, and I take it at night. And again, there were some of those nights I forgot to take it. I wake up and I'm like, oh no, I forgot to take the biotin. But anyway, I'm going to do better because I really want to see what it's going to be like to do it for 30 days. I really want to see what the result is going to be in 30 days. So with that being said, if you're going to take this biotin, be sure to drink plenty of water. Make sure there's food on your stomach prior to taking it, because vitamins need something to work with. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you can, not if you can, go ahead and subscribe. Reach out to me, comment, let me know what you think, and let me know if you tried this or if you tried the other one. I'm curious to know your results as well. So just let me know, and I will reach out to you again in a month with the hair video. But prior to that, I will make another video that's not related to the biotin. It may be one of my protective styles, because I did keep my hair cornrowed for a whole month, and I didn't, you know, oil it every day. I didn't do any of that. I just I was lazy. I'm just gonna put it out there. I was lazy with it, and I just wanted to see if there was gonna be any results when I don't feel like doing anything. And as you can see, I have result. It's almost a, what is that? Almost an inch, if not an inch. So let's just see if next month, if it's gonna be at 18. That would be awesome. So, that's what I'm looking forward to getting next month. You know, if I can get an inch without taking it every day, wonder what's going to happen if I take it every day. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.